guys, we are in Spain right now. You can barely even see our viper. Look up there. Nothing. And look how windy it is. Sam, it's starting to calm down, but it's like a hurricane. This is so crazy. I didn't know it like that. You won't die. I'm gonna grab, hold on, hold this and record. I'm gonna grab the blanket from the back seat. From the truck, okay? I'm gonna grab the blanket. Today's sport. Guys, so it's currently raining so hard. It feels like it's a hurricane outside. Okay? Ever since I left the city, and 2020 there will be a global pandemic called coronavirus. I'm scared. Why did you have to do that on my... I didn't know. Why did you put it right now? Hold it. Today's forecast. I checked the weather and they're raining. It's a thunderstorm. That's not a thunderstorm. I know. That's more. Hold on, wait. Someone hold it. We're not gonna die, but we're not gonna get hurt. But we're gonna get hurt somehow. Like literally, you can barely even see anything outside. It's so foggy. You guys need yeah, it's got trees like take cover. Take cover. Here, no. Just cover it up. Why does that sting you? What? Okay. Daddy. There is more rain expected for the next hour. I checked the weather forecast. You know it's serious when I start checking random things. Yes, like yeah, okay. Like when you was doing so we are currently in a very severe thunderstorm. As you can see, with hail hard rain. I recorded at the wrong time, and like as soon as I started recording, it's like the banging on the windows stopped. In the very harsh,
I'm serious.
In the very harsh wind.
In Texas or Oklahoma.
We're in Texas still.
Yeah, we're in Texas. Alright, and it's outside. Are we in Texas?
Dude,
we're almost to Sherman. We're almost to Sherman.
Let me look. Wait, guys. So right before he turned the camera on, it was so windy.
There was like
the trees was like touching the ground. The trees was touching the ground.
Told them what you saw.
But the rain, the trees, the rain on
the wind.
But the trees?
The trees. Tell them what you saw.
The trees are like almost falling down. Yeah, you're going blind.
Throwback Thursday. We're counting down North American
You're still going blind.
country songs for this week.
Mom, is that okay?
On the Y2.
Are you going to get blind?
30, number 3.
Or good? Are you going to get blind?
We've been recording for 3 minutes.
What? Like the light on.
No, it's okay for now.
Okay. The trees are
Like they were like
almost falling, almost touching the ground.
literally.
And then like some of the grass was like, we don't care about grass.
It's
The grass is like
there is more rain expected for the next hour, so we're cooked.
damn.
Why do we have water?
What the heck? Hey, wait, let me get in it. Yo, what up? So, it seems out here, it seems like, a hurricane. Yeah. It looks like a hurricane.
We're almost in Sherman, and we're just getting back from like a birthday party. So, yeah. You can tell how crazy it is. Oh, look.
got six pack. I can't look at my shit. And look at the ugly lady right
This is
here.
Sam. She has a show also.
She's ugly.
Check it out. Here's the link. I'm gonna edit it in later, okay? I'll edit it.
Today's the weather forecast. It's getting a little better.
How bad this crap is.
Hey! The weather's
With this side of white nothing.
Look at that. Yeah. It's raining. It's raining with a slight. Wait, ready? 3, 2, 1. It's raining with a side of white balls. What?
White knuckles. Knuckles like I'm putting on.
She said like white balls.
Where'd the pizza go?
It got there.
Dang it, we're in a tornado and you lost our pizza. How could you?
She said it's raining with the side of white balls.
Dang it.
Eat your feet.
Dang it, Samantha.
Eat your feet off.
We're in a thunderstorm or tornado, which could possibly turn into a tornado.
Look at the blue sky up there, you guys.
And you forgot our pizza. Whoa, it's so freaking bright. I can't even shine it up there. That's really bright.
She was thinking about the money.
Wait,
What I say I don't have said.
Oh my gosh. Wait, the rain is actually kind of stopping.
No, wait up. It's getting hard.
There's more rain coming in the next hour.
It feels like it's the morning. What up?
So yeah, so as I've mentioned, we are in a thunderstorm, and Sam forgot the pizza.
No, it's right there.
I grabbed it. You make me mad. I want pizza.
What up? How much pizzas have you had today? 4, 6, or 7. 6, 7. Okay, we'll be quiet. My cousin just went from 6 years old to 7 years old. Dad said to be quiet, so this is how quiet I'm gonna be.
Yeah, sorry, Dad. You're recording a bit. Okay, here's the it.
Wow!
Give me it.
Scared.
Oh, wait. Why did I stop?
It did stop. I wonder why. I wonder why, because I looked at your face.
Look, there it goes.
Why I looked at your face?
I need a picture of that sky.
No, what's happening? Oh no, the sun is coming.
Why is it so quiet?
Because I put it at white. I'm trying to find a way to put it back to the middle.
So it took me back
So good.
Can I rub your head for long time?
Wait. I'm unspeakable. Lucas, wait. The last time I was starting to do it,
I don't remember if I needed this lane or that lane.
We've been recording for 9 minutes.
But then what? 9.
It's been 9 minutes.
So
It's like in the
turn
so as you can see, we're currently by
First one is turn only, I think.
and
I always thought this is
whatever Walmart.
and we're ready.
Yeah, look.
Static electricity. Science. It's not a science.
It is. I can't remember if that's straight or
Give me it.
straight and turn.
Oh, that's cool. And it took it up.
You're just sad.
If I put this outside right now, look at it was raining.
You're just jealous that you can't do it. You're jealous because you can't do it. There's no fun. Well, anyway, we'll get back to you guys later. But bye.
Time out. Wait, where's the camera?
I said bye.
Time out. Time.